The dawn breaks over the citrus groves, bringing with it the promise of a new day and the rich heart.
The diesel engine hums, a low vibration shaking the loose leaves. With a focused gaze, the foreman lifts
The crates on the left. Pull up a little closer to the ramp.
The harvest is secured, ready for the long journey to market. The forklift delivers the freshly picked fruit to the stainless steel hopper for processing. The polished steel incline ensures a smooth transition before the fruit hits the wide rubber belt for sorting. A heavy deluge of high-pressure water ensures a deep clean, as the spinning citrus skins are scrubbed free of debris. In the washing tunnel, cylindrical brushes relentlessly scrub the fruit, transforming a dusty surface into a brilliant neon shine. After a rigorous scrub, the oranges receive a crystal-clear rinse, ready for inspection under the bright factory lights.
Got one here?
Yeah, take it out. The speed is increasing.
Once the human eye has done its part, the remaining fruit transitions to the advanced optical line, where high-speed sensors. As the oranges pass the glowing sensors, a precise burst of compressed air gently guides the undersized fruit.
This rhythmic process ensures a zero-waste flow, transforming бывшие отходы in valuable resources.
This counter-rotating scraper system is the heart of the process, separating the fibrous pulp from the pure golden extract below.
Okay, pressure looks good. Opening the main valve now.
Tracking the flow from the red valve, the juice enters the towering heat exchanger, where precise thermal treatment begins. Maintaining the optimal pressure is essential, ensuring the golden liquid remains perfectly within the green zone.
Keep an eye on the flow sensor near the chiller.
Looks good from here. We are maintaining pressure.
My job is to ensure that every single bottle meets our standard before it reaches the filling stage.
Precision stainless steel nozzles descend, dispensing a perfect, high-speed stream of chilled, golden juice. The mechanical chuck descends, sealing the bottle with a rapid, high-torque precision spin.
On this line, human precision meets mechanical efficiency, ensuring every bottle meets our high standards.
Here, the freshly labeled bottles converge, a testament to precision engineering. The robot The shift from human craftsmanship to automated efficiency creates a secure, monolithic unit ready for transport.
All right, lock secure, time to roll.
Every day, countless goods travel these roads, linking the facility to the city. It's a precise ballet of logistics and human skill.
Now we insert the microservo. This is step 34 of 980. We must maintain the flow and ensure every detail is captured without lag.
All right, plates down. Looks good from here.
Copy that, sealing the trailer now.
The night shift relies on precision. Every minute these doors are open costs the company money. The sheer scale of this operation is immense. It's a high-speed ballet, ensuring goods reach their confirmed. One juice box.
Line right here for the juice. Careful, it's packed heavy.
Will do. Thanks.
The heavy boxes arrive daily, requiring careful handling before they reach the shelves.
Every morning, before the city wakes, we ensure everything is perfectly chilled, fresh, and ready for you.
I'm home. Welcome back. Did you get everything?
journey complete. From the sunlit orchard to the quiet intimacy of the family breakfast table.
Select. To fulfill the exact 90-segment requirement, the narrative will now trace the recycling and ecological loop.
The loader operator plays a crucial role, moving tons of material every hour towards the sorting conveyors.
The intense vibration separates the heavier glass from the lighter plastics. Then, the electromagnet ensures
The furnace burns at over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, quickly reducing the glass back to its molten state. The pressurized air is crucial. It forces the molten glass against the mold, defining the shape instantly. From a molten glow, the bottle emerges crystal clear, ready for the juice factory.
Every year, the factory produces tons of citrus waste. But here, it's transformed, creating a massive steaming
This industrial flow accelerates the organic breakdown, transforming the decaying rinds into fertile earth. A perfectly clear crystalline drop swells before dropping heavily, feeding the nutrients from the recycled peels directly into the young roots.
The life cycle begins here, in the dark soil. And as the sun sets, the true scale.
Completing the perfect, endless cycle of farm to table and back to the earth.